Welcome to Investing Ramp, a place we explore ways to grow by leveraging personal finance. If you missed recent Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting, don't worry, I got you covered. Here are 4 valuable takeaways from Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. First, Warren Buffett praised Benjamin Graham, who was his mentor, and his book, The Intelligent Investor. Listen. Make sure you add The Intelligent Investor to your short list, if you haven't yet. Second interesting tidbit comes from Warren Buffett commenting on recent regional U.S. bank collapse. On the First Republic, the regional lender which J.P. Morgan recently acquired, he said this: "You could look at their 10K and you could see that they were offering non-government guaranteed mortgages in jumbo amounts at fixed rates. That's a crazy proposition. You don't give options like that, but that's what First Republic was doing," he continued. It was in plain sight. And the world ignored it until it blew up. I took it as a nod for us to do our own due diligence when investing in or with a bank. Third, it's a warning from Charlie Munger, quote, "I think value investors are going to have a harder time now that there are so many of them competing for a diminished set of opportunities. My advice to value investors is to get used to making less." This seemed to be another kudos to investing in ETFs and index funds that track the overall market, instead of only having individual stocks in your portfolio. Fourth interesting point for me was when Munger mentioned him receiving proceeds of his early investments. He apparently is still receiving $70,000 a year from oil royalties he purchased for only $1,000 back in 1962. Tell me this isn't a great example of time and compounding principle at work. Check out our last video on Psychology of Money book on this. Thanks for watching, and as always, let the compounding force be with you.